the Loop21.com. Right here is the place to be. Come share your thoughts with me.
Because there is a Barack Obama, you're going to get to see the essences and, you know, various publications that are African American owned covering an African American president. It's only natural. But I do want to go back that talking about black news in the niche, keep in mind that the world looks at black America and France, Germany, they love hip hop and they follow us constantly. We just going on some of our statistics internationally, Amsterdam, Germany, France, they love what our culture brings. So now that we have an African American president, you're going to start to see a broader scope of covering African Americans in the American mainstream.
Who thinks you won't see him? Yeah,
well, I think the interesting thing about it is that, you know, it's year one. Like, for me, it's not about Obama getting elected, it's about getting Obama reelected, which means that, to me, it's like, is it a fad? Is it going to be hot for a few weeks? You know, and then it's like, okay, they're getting a little too black. You know, when is that line going to be crossed? Because, for instance, even when you look at the Sean Bell trial, and when they asked Obama about it, he kind of had to back off of that subject. So are we going to be able to, you know, as black journalists, be able to talk to the things that are important to us in year two? Maybe year one is fine, because they're like, let's give them their 40 acres and a mule and let them run with it. But if they get too black, it might be a problem. I'm not too optimistic. That's just me. I still think the system's a lot bigger than Obama. You know, I think just because the brother's in the office, we can't get too lax and feel like everything's going to change overnight. And I feel like a lot of African Americans have gotten very relaxed, you know, looking at the situation saying, you know, a change going to come on some Sam Cooke nonsense. And it's like, you got to relax. You got to still press on and still keep these things going, keep the voice prevalent. But I just don't know if, you know, we're gonna be as active as we were, you know, back in the Public Enemy days when we felt like there was a power to fight. You know, now I don't think there's much of a power to fight anymore, and we're missing that. Right.
It's the Loop21.com.